Real quick, before we jump into this video, I just want to let you guys know that we have just released our Work For It square body shirt that Dedek has already got absolutely filthy because he's been over here working for it in the brand new shirt. Make sure you guys head over to workforitapparel.com. There'll be a link right there as well as one down in the description.
Yeah.
Are we recording?
Yep.
Oh. Well, what's up and good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. So if you guys remember from, I don't know, 1 or 2 videos ago, Dedek got all of his powder coat color back, and in the little sample that we looked at, we're shooting for like Vegas-y gold, and it ended up either being caterpillar yellow or perfectly Chick-fil-A sauce yellow. So I think it's time we bring on the newest sponsor to Dedek's build, aka Chick-fil-A. And when you have your own decal cutter, like, we're gonna surprise Dedek today with some new sponsor. So we've already got the file drawn up on the computer here. Get some vinyl loaded up. Now the thing is, Dedek's on his way here, so we gotta kind of rush this one. Come over on the computer. We're gonna hit cut. Let's get us some Chick-fil-A logos.
Are you smelling it?
I'm looking at the size, I'm not smelling it. Jeez, you gotta look closely, man. It's hard to
smell like Chick-fil-A?
It does smell. Are those nugs? So I had 6 of these made real quick, but we're just gonna take this first one right here because, well, Dedek's very, very close by, and I don't want him to walk in while we're doing this. We want it to be a surprise. All right, guys, we're good to go. We got the Chick-fil-A logo. We got him a new sponsor. Nothing's really bolted down, so we kind of gotta not knock anything off here, but it's like the perfect addition right here. Oh yeah. That's the ticket. If he doesn't leave this on, he is sorely missing out here. Oh baby. That is perfect. Officially brought to you by Chick-fil-A. Dedek's biggest sponsor to date. For those of you that haven't seen the last video, Chris, can you do me the honors and spread some Chick-fil-A sauce on this engine? But make it like sexy. Bow, 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 bow. It is exactly Chick-fil-A sauce color.
Wow.
Look at that. You can barely tell where the Chick-fil-A sauce is on that thing.
You cannot get that color by trying.
Yeah, if you wanted to get that close, you would never get that close. Now again, I'm only giving Dedek so much crap about his Chick-fil-A sauce colored stuff because he made so much fun of my pink colored wheels. So
funny if you leave it like pretty nice, like a little bit more even, and see if we can spot it. Where is it?
we should do a challenge. Where's the Chick-fil-A sauce? We'll clean this off for him. Come on, Dedek.
I'm mad right now.
I know you're mad.
What?
This is bad. This is either bad timing or this is gonna be great timing. I'm not sure. I know you're upset. Somebody stole your old wheels. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to hear that. So hopefully we're gonna make your day better. This is the start of it. This is the start.
Thank you, Chris.
You feel better? Maybe. You're about to. You're about to. We're about to set that off to like a 10 right now.
I hope so.
Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
I don't know if you're being extremely
I just got you the biggest sponsor you've ever had in your life.
God, what I feel like this is the
All right.
best joke ever.
Come on.
I absolutely hate it. I'm leaving.
Where you going, buddy?
Anywhere else but here right now.
You can't tell me that doesn't look great.
Oh, I hate you so much right now. That's staying on there.
I hope so, dude.
That's staying on.
Tell me that's not perfect. Listen, I didn't understand. I didn't know you'd be like in a horrible mood when we did this, but
How did you even get it to look? That's perfect.
what do we got in there, buddy?
I got the intercooler, the oil cooler stuff, so I can finally put that on properly.
So this is the real deal, guys. We are going for final assembly now. Dedek's got his gasket maker on there.
Yep.
Seals everything up nice and tight.
I think honestly, it looked like it did a good job. You can even see it on the inside here. You can see it smooch on the outside, smooch on the inside.
All right, nice, nice.
Not too excessive either. I was kind of very light on it, so I think we did a good job.
We're impressed, buddy. So this is gonna be the make or break video, I think, is this video. Will this thing fire up, or do I get my coffee table?
Whoa.
What?
Let's back up on that.
Now, one of the things me and Dedek had talked about is on one of these pieces of piping from HSP. HSP doesn't make this piece removable, so it gets powder coated the same color, basically as the piping, without being really 2 colors. So we're gonna mask this whole thing off. Well, I'm gonna mask it off for him. That way he can spray it. To all you painters out there that do fine detail work, I commend you, because masking stuff like that is not fun. Here you go, buddy. It's ready for paint.
Oh, sweet. I was thinking about it and I was just like, man, I really don't want to deal with that right now.
It was not fun to mask that.
Oh, I'm sure it was, and that's gonna come out sweet.
I want to brighten your day, man. You had a horrible start this morning, dude.
really
Chris is picking you up Starbucks right now. Like, today is Make Dedic Happy Day. Look at that precision right there.
Walk-in closet.
Dedic building his little gasket here, nice and. Love the smell of some silicone in the morning.
I actually do love that smell, honestly.
Do you really?
I do.
It's like my least favorite sulfury.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not a silicone smell guy.
GP grease, general purpose grease, that real industrial one. Oh, I love that smell. And that's a real like hit or miss with me.
All right, here we go.
Oh, absolutely.
This is a tight one, boys. Go a little further, go a little further. Hold on, let's no ketchup.
On a Chick-fil-A sauce?
Dude, it does smell like Chick-fil-A sauce.
Can we put like a little scent dispenser?
You're not fitting 2 people right here.
We're having a lover's quarrel right now. You guys okay? So right now they're working on figuring out how the tran's gonna go. And Snow wants to use the cherry picker. Smart man.
Cherry picker that everyone made fun of, saying it couldn't do anything, it was gonna fall at any point. Now everyone wants to run to the cherry picker.
All right, so we got to go over the trans mount, but like kind of pick it up at an angle.
Huh? Is it even bolted? What? No,
trans-
no, it's just gonna rest on it because I gotta figure out where it's gonna be located first.
And then we got to hold it up in place while you bolt it to the.
No, you just let it sit on this.
I know, but how you gonna mount it to the engine?
I'm gonna duck down, help support it from the bottom,
Okay.
and then we're just gonna boop.
If only was that easy.
It is that easy.
That's a heavy boop.
The hardest part is just getting up to here. Once we get up to here, it's easy from there.
Can we put a strap underneath it and then we can lift it from here?
I need a 4-arm forklift.
How heavy?
That's what I'm thinking. It's not that you can't lift it. It's the awkwardness. Give us a strap and we
There's
can.
two straps over there. I took the straps off the axle. They're by the door. Can you grab them?
What do we need the straps for?
Because like now we can pick it from here with
Yeah, that's
straps.
true.
All right, boys, we're ready.
So that when we get up,
He's gonna put it right here, remember?
Okay, it's going on his shoulder. All right, ready. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa, wait. Just kidding, keep going.
Oh, this is too heavy for that.
Blue shop rags. Blue shop rags.
Get his ass. Get his ass. Get his ass.
we're over here holding still dead weight.
We got the heavy side.
This is the heavy side now.
Bro,
Keep your head there.
you're going to get killed by this.
Nah, I'm not.
All right, I'm kind of run out of height leverage here.
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh wait, hold on. Look where the strap is. You're not gonna be able to mate it like that.
Let me stand up under here. Oh god, there's a lift arm right here.
That's perfect.
This is.
Someone's sketching.
This is real.
Well, I need to be able to lift up. I'm out of height.
This is how everyone does motors. Or
We can't wait for this comment section.
installs, right?
I would have had it in one lift. Why didn't you lift it with the lift? All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, we're close. We're close.
All right. Counter down.
I'm holding the counter back.
You gotta make sure that converter's in because.
Yep.
All right, well
Slide it back a little bit.
let's just scooch it back, guys.
Right there, stop. Zach, you wanna go and give that a little
That's
roll and
actually
try to push it?
Sorry, my butt's in your face, Zach.
You gotta go the other way?
Sometimes it just has to be.
Just the 2 of us.
Oh, it's not dropping in.
Spline everything in.
Legs getting tingly. Dad, you didn't do this before we lifted this thing in place?
I'm pretty sure it was already.
We could have had the cherry picker already hooked up to this by
You
now.
know what? I didn't. It would already
Here.
be in if the torque converter was set up.
Actually,
Go
bring the cherry picker over here and let's hook it up right now.
Oh, that's
Because this is a good height to grab it at.
Yeah.
Zach's second guessing it.
What happened, Zach?
It'll work.
All right. Let's
Zach
do it.
says it'll work?
It'll work.
Dedic, you are ballsy, my friend.
Yeah.
Also because if your head knocks that 4x out, the engine falls.
All right. Well, let's do this.
People
instead
don't
of
know, like
talking
that
about it.
converter
Make-
was not in at all.
Oh, okay.
Like it went all 3 or 4 clickies because I don't know how many in Allison take, but it's usually
let's do
3.
it.
But
once this
it
is
went
in,
all 3.
Listen, I don't enjoy laying down here this long, so
Oh,
we can
sorry.
please put this in.
Well, I had my unit against the frame rail.
Just push out.
Oh, a little bit more.
All right, ready when you are. 1, 2, 3. I mean, does anybody got bolts?
You gotta
No,
go.
that's-
You gotta go
What?
up in the back.
Up in the back?
Yeah, and then forward.
Put a bolt in. Put a bolt in. Who got a bolt? I think that one close to your hand was the.
A little bit little down in the back.
Hold on. This next fight.
I don't know if one's gonna hold it. But it
Zach, can you
Get another one in.
down here too?
oh god, it smells like cheese.
You just had a bunch of cheese curds.
Chris farted.
Lift it up in the back. Lift it up.
Sorry, guys. Why do you gotta fart right now? Jeez, this is the worst time. Why's this thing so heavy?
Zach passed out.
Just let me know when I can take some weight
Not
off.
going in.
Ours are going in. Let us get a couple more in so we can kind of trust this thing a little
Trust
bit.
it's in, boys.
Yeah. All right, see you guys. Rotate it this way a little bit.
Yeah.
Pick up on it and I'm gonna push it. That's nothing.
Oh, that's nothing.
That's the dowel.
Let me try this one.
This one.
Yeah. Give me the one that's in your left hand.
I don't know what this is, but yeah, that's a bigger one. Try that one.
Oh, that's
this one's the one
that's for the
flawless.
turbo.
Yeah, we got like 5 out of 6. Fired up, throw 1,000 horse through it.
Funny that you mentioned that because mine doesn't have one in it.
Oh, you're missing one too?
Yeah, because I was underneath there and it was like this far out and I was like 3 threads. I'm like, well, I should probably put this in the glove box. Haven't tightened it up yet.
Body's coming down. Oh, nice.
I like that. I like the safety feature there, boys, in case that little extension fails. Smart move. I feel like that's a snow move right there. Smart. Jeez, guy.
Cheese curds, I tell you.
I don't know what it is about these
Some
shots.
cheese curds. Oh, watch some.
Don't scratch the valve cover.
What? Oh yeah.
This junk that we were trying to cut off weeks ago.
Well, the truck isn't really. It's not. You can see the frame cap move. So. All right.
There goes nothing, buddy.
Water and that's all it is.
It's going. It's going.
Actually, hold on.
What?
Have 2 people lift and then just knock it out.
No, this is way
That way it
before.
doesn't drop on the pan.
So how far down does it need to go? Like to that? There?
That's how much that's holding it up. So if you knock that block out, it's just gonna drop down.
Oh, that's a nice rubber mount, though.
Okay. Chris, you mind coming over here and lifting up on this one?
All right, ready?
All right.
So can I get that $5 or what?
Pick up. Ready? Here it comes. All right, we're clear, boys. Put her down.
Nope, lift.
Lift.
I think she's in.
All right. Fire it up. We're ready. Oh.
I almost just said that, but I figured you were going to say it.
Well, according to Dedek, about an hour or 2 hours ago, he's like, dude, realistically, we could start this tomorrow. And I'm like,
His realistic and actual realistic are 2 totally different things. Look at him.
look at that. Yeah, look at that face.
Look at him. That's why we love him. Right there.
How are we gonna start it? This thing's kinked. This will never work. Put the LS back in it.
Yeah, hey, you know, I was thinking, I'm kind of over it.
This thing was cooler as an LS.
All right, so we're fitting the stock turbo on here for now. Don't look
It's
long
coming
enough.
out. Why did I even put that in?
Yeah, why'd you even put that in?
Start over. Start over. We didn't see that. Cut.
You've been mad all night.
Well, yeah, but let me see.
Go ahead.
I hate you.
I see the resemblance there, Snow. Oh wait, no, this one doesn't have the Chick-fil-A sticker. You're good.
Oh,
Yeah,
damn.
totally different.
Yeah.
I'm really liking this like airbox mock-up to like, is Snow gonna be your mount on the side here?
Be there forever.
More, Snow, turn it up. Let me turn him up a little bit.
Get the tune going.
We need a plumb bob it.
Okay, I believe you.
This is the custom stuff going on right here, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you get the custom details.
Heck yeah.
Also, the full floater axles out here, getting all cleaned up.
Check out the shine on that cover.
Woo! Look at that. Chrome diff cut. Well, kind of shines. This might be Snow's best work yet, buddy.
Look, he's red.
All I do is I hear Snow laughing in the background, and anytime he's on his phone, you know he's up to something.
I hate it.
Oh my god.
I hate it.
Bro.
No, come on. Can I see it?
Everybody gets to see it first.
Bobby! You gotta change color. I hate you so much. Quit taking on. How long did you work on that?
Literally 2 seconds. Dude, yeah, I literally saw him with his phone and then all of a sudden done.
Ryan's never gonna admit this to you, but he's tried doing something like that once and it took him like an hour and he gave up.
This is what it looks like, guys. A successful team right here.
Hold on, we're gonna go around and take bets. We'll start.
I mean, it's a Chevy, so no.
I hope long enough to blow up, at least.
Oh, she's firing.
She'll run like a dream.
Well, I already said with a couple dozen cans of consent that she's gonna run.
I mean, I really wanted to because it's beautiful. I don't want to see it torn apart, but I really want this coffee table that we're gonna get to turn that engine into if it doesn't work.
Can we just build a really big trebuchet and just catapult it at the ranch? Just like if it blows up, just send it into the freaking.
Nah, if you want to watch a cool something getting launched, you gotta watch James' video where he launched a squirrel.
We'll use James's slingshot. We'll launch it. we'll launch it back to James's house.
We were already
All right, so the last step tonight is figuring this whole thing out here. We gotta hook up the computer to the harness to some battery power so we can be able to get into the computer with a scanner to be able to get the VIN number off of the engine to then
Send it off to WoldFab, who I think that's the first time we've name dropped them. Thank you, WoldFab. They're gonna do my tunes. And they need my VIN number to do my licensing so that when they send the tunes, it all works out.
So now we're gonna power up the computer inside this bundle here. Looks super simple.
It's a snake. It's a snake. I'm a snake.
We're gonna use Zach's snap-on scanner to hopefully pull the VIN out.
Really all I gotta do is put power to these two wires, and the OBD2 and the computer are powered up, and we can read it.
Is it working?
What?
It's working.
What?
All right, we got the donor battery here in the Tahoe. All right, Derek.
Okay.
Let's get hooked up here.
Where's the other end of my ground? There it is.
It's in your ear. You got this, mad scientist. This is a bad idea.
You gotta make sure they stay on the terminals, okay? Do not move it.
I gotta see.
No, bad time to sneeze. Bad time to sneeze.
Oh no. It's an 05.
Loading database.
Hold on.
We got the VIN number.
So cancel.
Wait, don't
Hold
disconnect
on,
yet.
cancel.
Don't. All right, y'all. Well, I don't even know what time it is right now. It's after midnight. Clearly, you can see everybody has gone home. But good news is this thing is starting to come together one step at a time. I was hoping by this video we would have started this thing, but I think we just made a long enough video without starting it. But with that, we're gonna wrap up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button now. That you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.